Can we get your wife to join?
What is going on?
Solanke off injured, bro. Of course, we have not fucking West Ham have scored as well. Fucking West Ham have scored as well. They scored, bruv. These man are pricks, I swear down. We're going down. It's over, fam. It's over, blood. We're going down. We are, fam. Championship. Fucking championship. Fucking pricks, bro. Absolute pricks. At this point, man should just fucking watch the West Ham game. What's the point in watching us? What's the point? These man don't want to help themselves. Man gotta hope West Ham bottle it, fam. It's ridiculous, blood.
West Ham have just gone 1-0 up. Oh, shit. West Ham are 1-0 up. Oh, no. Thomas Suchek's just scored. I'm not even taking the piss. West Ham have gone 1-0 up. Mate, what is happening?
Go on, Matisse. Win a corner at least.
Tell looks after it.
Oh, 1-0 West Ham.
1-0 West Ham.
Fuck. Thomas Suchek.
Super Suchek. Shit.
Oh, shit. Tottenham, you need to get your fingers out your arses, man. Come on.
Yeah, the fans are going to be hearing about it soon. Look.
West Ham scored. Oh my gosh, West Ham scored. West Ham scored. We're going down. West Ham scored. Fucking hell, West Ham scored. West Ham just scored. Wow. I actually hate you, Everton, bro. Y'all just can't, bro. Y'all just... Yeah. Oh my gosh, Tottenham, bro.
West Ham have just gone 1 up.
Fucking hell. 45 minutes for our lives here, everybody.
Is that onside? Oh, yes! 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 Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! You motherfuckers! We needed that! We needed that! Come on! Yes! 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 Come on! Please be onside. Please be onside. Please be onside. Please be onside. I don't even know. I don't even know if that's onside. I don't even know. That looks hella offside. Oh, this... they're going to clip me out of the bill. It's over. Why? I fucking hate football. I hate streaming. I hate everything. I fucking hate everything. Why? Why? It's offside. It's offside. It's offside. It's offside. I fucking hate football, bro. Lord, why? Brother, I did everything going to high school, blood. Everything required of me. First communion, second communion, baptism, every fucking thing that was asked of me, blood. And when I ask for something, I don't get anything, blood. I swear down. Oh, it's gonna! It's I love you, blood! Yes! My G and my God, blood! Gang business! What's man talking about? Yes, my G! Let's go! Let's go! What's man on, blood? Yes! Yes! We're still in it!
Richarlison.
Yeah! Come on! Oh,
mate. Ciao, Paulinho. Fucking hell, mate. Paulinho has just genuinely saved our season. Oh, mate.
Belief is sapping away from me as the seconds go by, but here it comes. Corner. Richarlison! Oh, it's a goal! 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 It's goal! Joe Bolivia! Joe Bolivia! Come on! Let's go! Spurs are 1-0 up here! That's what I'm talking about!
Yes.
As I said, Belief is sapping away every second. We didn't know if it was offside. We got to probably calm down because it might still be offside. But Joe Bolivia has put Spurs 1-0 up with 9 minutes to
Is it a
go.
goal? I hope it's a goal.
Come on, bro. I beg Tottenham, rise, bro. Corner. Shoot. There! Yes! Wait, I think it's offside though. Is it onside? Come on, Paulinho! Yes, man! Come on. Huge! Come on, you Spurs, man! Come on! Is he onside though? Is he on? Is he on? I don't know if he's on, bro. I'm scared. I'm scared. Hold on, chat. I don't want to go too early. Is he on? Doherty plays him on. I think he's good. I think he's good. I think he's good. I think he's good. He's good. I think he's good. Is he good? He's onside. He's onside, chat. Come on, man. He's onside. Yes. He's onside.
Richie! No, yes! Is he on? Is he on? Is he on?
You better be
Is he on? It's
better
Joe
be on.
Paulini. Is he on?
Please be on. Please be on. Please, I need this. I need this.
We need this.
Please. All the Wolves' hands went up. Look at the Spurs fans.
I'm not celebrating yet.
Yeah, we've been punished too many times before.
Yeah.
Smart man,
He
Dave.
doesn't seem concerned, though. He's gone for it.
Yeah, he's a guy that... All right, let's see. Richarlison. Oh, he's got to be on. I think Doherty keeps him on. Please, Doherty, have that be your favor.
Yeah. People saying it's been given. Yes! Come on!
Paulinho winner. Someone clip that. Someone clip that. We talked about a Paulinho winner again. Against
Ciao,
Wolves.
ciao, Paulinho. Don't, ciao, ciao, Paulinho.
Oh, stick it up your Zhao, Wolves. Stick it in the Zhao.
Come on.
Come on, Zhao.
Woo! Right, let's calm down. Still got to see this
out,
one out.
boys.
I swear the only thing I need now is you to just stop Everton and... Oh my God! Yes! Yes! Lord, you little motherfucker! Yes! Yeah, I love you! Oh my days! Equalizer! Denzel Washington, blood! Dewsbury Hall, blood! Dewsbury Hall, blood! Dewsbury Hall! Yeah! You motherfucker! Yes! 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 You motherfucker! Yes! 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 Come on! Come on!
Yes! Everton have scored! Yes! Come on! Everton have equalised! Everton have equalised! We're at the bottom three! We're at the bottom three, lads! We are out the bottom three! Oh, hang on, why have I not updated the scoreboard? It's a good point. Everton have just equalised. David Moyes, mate, you fucking hero.
Now it's the cross. Here we go. Yes! Everton have scored! Yes! Come on! Keenan Dewsbury Hall! And things have changed in the blink of an eye here in the relegation battle. Come on, you Spurs!
Do you believe?
Oh, Rob! Yes! Come on! Come on!
Hey.
Oh my days!
Come on, Everton, go! Yes, Everton! Yes, Everton! Come on, Everton! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Everton! Get in, Everton! Get in, Everton! Get in, bro! Get in, Everton! Yes, Everton! You know, come on! Get in, bro! Yes!
It could be also sheer joy. Please, Everton.
1-1. Come on, Everton.
Come on! Come
Just
on,
got to see this
boys.
out now, Jacko.
Rob Edwards, fuck off. Why is he bringing on all these players? Fuck off, Rob. Give us a favor, man. Do us a favor.
You sure it's 1-1, guys? Sure it's 1-1 at Everton?
Everyone's saying 1-1.
Fuck off! Fucking hell, West Ham scored again, blood! For fuck's sake! For fuck's sake! Oh, my brother! Oh, just saying, oh, brother, I can't do this anymore. I can't fucking do this anymore. I can't do this anymore, blood. I can't do this anymore. Oh, brother. Oh, so why do I have to deal with this shit? Why do I have to? Why me, blood? Why me? Why fucking me, blood? Why fucking me, blood? Why? Why, blood? Why?
So much drama. If we concede now, West Ham have scored. Fuck! Shit! It's 2-1. West Ham have made it 2-1. Why? Why can't you let me enjoy things for a matter of minutes? 2-1 West Ham.
Oh no. Oh no. Callum Wilson has just put West Ham up in stoppage time. Spurs back in the relegation zone. Fuck!
Horrible. This is horrible. Oh, bro. Why do they put us on at the same time? It's horrible, man.
It really is.
Jeez. 30 seconds left of the 90 minutes, guys.
Come on, stay strong, Tottenham. It doesn't matter what they do. We just need to stay on our job.
Everton, hold on. Good header. Bro, I got two watches going on at the same time, man. Hold on, Everton. Too much time and space. Oh, my... West Ham scored. West Ham scored. I fucking hate you, Everton. We just don't get any luck. Bro. I hate you. Everton, bro. Like, you guys are just such dickheads, bro. Whatever, we just have to do our job. It doesn't matter, just do our job, bro. Just do our job, man.
With all the stoppages, you know they will.
Oh.
West Ham 2-1.
Fuck off, West Ham.
Look, it just means we just got to see this over the line even more now. Please disallow it.